Children, today we are learning about applying inbuilt styles. So, styles in objects are powerful tools that help in creating a document look attractive, right? And styles in MS Word, it provides a collection of formatting instructions like font style. These all are called your font styles. Here you can see these are font styles. Your font size, this is your font size here, correct. Color to text, this is your color to text. Here you can select any color whichever you want for your text, right, and they can be used in formatting headings and paragraphs in the document. Let us see some how will you apply that. So if you want to apply the different fonts or different sizes or font colors, simply select the text which you want to format. Suppose I want to format this text. What I'll do, I'll just see, I'll just select whatever fonts I want and I'll be able to get those fonts. I can even change the font sizes by, see, this is called the font size. Then this is the font color. Here see, I can change the font colors whatever color I want, like this, correct. Now next we have is the headings. The headings, when we see these are called your headings: normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, then emphasis, intense emphasis, strong, quote. This all are called your headings. By default the heading will be normal. This will be your by default heading, normal, and the font will be Calibri and the font size will be 11. Whenever you open whenever you open MS Word, this will be by default selected. Now let us see how will we insert a picture. Suppose I want to insert a picture. So for that, what will I do? I'll go to Insert tab. In that I have the option called Picture. See here, I'll click on that and it will ask you to get the picture. Now open the file or folder where you have stored your picture. I have stored my picture over here in pictures, in saved pictures. I'll select this. Either I'll double click on this or else I'll select it once and click on insert. See, as soon as I'll click here, you are able to insert a picture. So this is the way you insert a picture. Next we have is inserting a clip art. Now how will we insert a clip art? For that, go to Insert tab again, and next to picture option you have a clip art option. As soon as you click on clip art option, see, a window will be opened to the right side of the document here. This is called your clip art insert tab, right. Here we can search for the image which I want. Suppose I want image of a computer. So I'll write computer, I'll click on go, and see here, these are all the inbuilt pictures in MS Word. They are called your clip arts. See, whichever picture I want, I'll just select it, I'll just double click it and I'll be able to get that image. See, this is the image which I have double clicked and this is called my clip art, right. Okay, when my work is finished, I'll just click on this close button and the clip art window will be gone. Now next we have is inserting a smart art. Now smart art, let us see, same procedure. Go to Insert tab and next to clip art you have smart art. Here just select and get the bullets which you want. Here you can this helps you to write some important lists or give some bullets to your work. to your document, whatever you want, just double click, and after that you will be able to write down over here like this. Hardware, some important points you can note it down like this in your document. So this is called your smart art, right? Next we have is drawing shapes. Now when I want to draw any shape, I have an option, that is I'll go to insert tab and here shapes. As soon as I'll click on this, see here I have got many more shapes. Whatever shapes I want, I can take it. Suppose I want arrow key, I'll select it and see the cursor changes to the plus sign over here. Just click and drag, and here you'll be able to get the shape. You can even change the color from here. See, you can change the color of the shape from here. You can even draw some more shapes. Just select on the shape whichever you want and you can fill in, right? I want triangle, I'll draw a triangle and I'll change the color of it, right? This is the way you draw shapes. Next we have is inserting a text box, creating a text box. For that again same, go to insert, here you can see a text box, click on that. As soon as you'll click on that, you'll get one box with a cursor, see like this. Here you'll get a box and you can write it down whatever you want. Like this is called your text box. And whenever you just add on writing something, the text box, it increases its space, it increases its size according to the text which you write. So children, that was all for the whole lesson. Today we have completed lesson number 2, that is managing text and styles in MS Word. Thank you.